Hello students, in this video we'll be discussing the tricks to memorize the structure, name, formula, oxidation state, basicity, and how to know the anhydride of oxo acids of nitrogen. First of all, we'll discuss the structure. Nitrogen in its oxo acid is always having trigonal planar arrangement of atoms or bonds or groups around it. And a mandatory OH linkage is always there whenever we talk about oxo acid. OH is always bonded to central element of which the oxo acid is. We'll start with two acids like the oxo acids of phosphorus. Here also we'll have to memorize the nitric acid and the nitrous acid. Nitric acid is HNO3. Nitrous acid is formed by the removal of one oxygen, which is nitrous acid, that is HNO2. This is a formula. This is a structure for nitric acid. Nitrogen is, there is one mandatory OH linkage and two oxygens are remaining after the OH linkage. Both the oxygens, one oxygen is present as double bond and the other oxygen is present as coordinate bond. This is because this oxygen is not present as double bond but as coordinate bond. This is based upon the fact that nitrogen cannot form more than 4 bonds. This is a condition for nitrogen. Due to the absence of d orbitals, it cannot form 5 bonds. It can donate the lone pair in the form of a coordinate bond. It can form at the max 4 bonds. So that is why the structure is like this. So in this, as we have discussed for oxo acids of phosphorus, OH oxidation state will be -1. Oxygen in the coordinate bond will also act as -2. In the double bond, oxygen will give -2. And from here the oxidation state for nitrogen comes out to be +5. Basicity depends upon the presence of number of OH groups. So basicity will be 1, as only one OH group is there. So only one ionizable hydrogen is there, ionizable proton is there. Next is the anhydride. Formula is HNO3. What we'll do is double the formula and remove the water molecule. We're left with N2O5, and this is the anhydride for nitric acid. Next we'll discuss the nitrous acid, is the HNO2. Here we have removed the oxygen which is bonded through coordinate bond. So this is the structure for HNO2. Oxidation state here comes out to be +3. You can easily calculate now the oxidation state, as we have already discussed in detail about the oxidation states of phosphorus acid. If you for oxy acids of phosphorus, if you still find any difficulty, you can ask me. Basicity depends upon the number of OH groups, which comes out to be 1. Anhydride, how to calculate anhydride? What we'll do is we want to remove all of the water molecules from this nitrous acid. For that we'll have to double the formula. That means it will become H2N2O4 and will remove water molecule, that, and what will remain, an oxide will get oxide, that is N2O3, which is the anhydride of nitrous acid. Next we'll generate the hyponitrous acid. As we all know that by the removal of oxygen from any system, we can introduce the term prefix hypo in front of it. So after the removal of oxygen, we'll get hyponitrous acid. Here in case of oxy acids of nitrogen, after the removal of oxygen, the formula will become HON. Here this HON exists as dimer, so it will dimerize, HON will dimerize, and the actual formula is H2N2O2. Here it HON, which has formed after the removal of oxygen from the nitrous acid, exists as dimer. It cannot exist as monomer. So the formula for dimer is H2N2O2. This is how the structure is. From here we can calculate the basicity. Basicity depends upon the number of OH groups, which comes out to be 2. Oxidation state comes out to be 1, as X, will consider X for each nitrogen. Anhydride after the removal of water is N2O. Next is the nitroxylic acid, which is obtained Nitroxylic acid, the other name for nitroxylic acid is hydronitrous acid. That means the introduction of one hydrogen into the nitrous acid will get nitroxylic acid, or we can get hydronitrous acid. So we'll add one hydrogen here in the nitrous acid. The formula will become H2NO2, and further it also exists as dimer. This is a slight exception in the case of oxyacids of nitrogen, that two of the oxoacids exist as dimer. So it also exists as dimer, and the formula is H4N2O4. This is a structure. From here we can easily calculate the basicity based upon the 4 OH groups, and the oxidation state is 2x minus 4. That means x comes out to be 2, so the oxidation state is 2. And to calculate the anhydride, we'll take the molecule, we'll remove all the water molecules whatever is possible. So here we can remove 2 water molecules from this, and the oxide which remains behind is N2O2. That is the anhydride for the nitroxylic acid or the hydronitrous acid. Next acid which will be generating from the nitric acid is peroxynitric acid. So as the name suggests, peroxynitric acid will be generated from nitric acid via addition of one oxygen atom, and the oxygen will be introduced just before the OH group. So the oxidation state of nitrogen will remain the same. Here it is +5 as OH oxygen O oxygen. This oxygen will be having the oxidation state of -1. This will be having oxidation state of -1, +1 for hydrogen, -2 for this oxygen, and -2 for this oxygen. And the basicity depends upon the number of OH groups. Here number of OH groups present is 1, so basicity is also 1. Now to calculate the anhydride, we'll double the formula, as from here we cannot remove water molecule, so we'll double it. We'll get H2N2O8, and we'll remove one water molecule, and we'll get N2O7, which is the anhydride for peroxynitric acid. This way we have obtained 5 oxyacids of nitrogen, which are as far as our syllabus is concerned, we are to deal with 5 oxyacids of nitrogen. This way we can generate the formula, name, structure, oxidation state, basicity, and we can know the corresponding anhydride for any of the oxoacids. So this is all about the oxyacids of nitrogen. Thank you so much. Keep learning.